Alright. It is Monday, July 22nd, 2019 at 8:44 p.m. Let's take a look quickly here at the National Hurricane Center. Alright. In the coast, right off the coast of Florida, we have Tropical Depression 3 with maximum sustained winds of 25 knots or 30 miles an hour, minimum central pressure of 1,013 millibars, located 25.6 north and 78.6 west, movement northwest at 11 knots or 13 miles an hour. We also have on the eastern North Pacific Tropical Depression 5E with maximum sustained winds of 30 knots or 35 miles an hour, minimum central pressure of 1,006 millibars, located 16.7 north and 116.6 west, movement north northwest at 8 knots or 9 miles an hour. And then in the central Pacific, we have tropical cyclone activity not expected during the next 48 hours anywhere close to Hawaii. Alright, let's take a look here at Tropical Depression 3 that formed in the Bahamas. So a tropical wave moving through the northern Bahamas has acquired a closer circulation and is now a tropical depression. The system will turn northward near the southeast Florida coastline Monday night and into Tuesday, but is not expected to strengthen significantly due to a combination of dry air and approaching cold front from the northwest. The only impact is expected to be enhanced rainfall and gusty winds along the eastern Florida and northern Bahamas for tonight and tomorrow. The system is expected to disintegrate and get absorbed by the cold front off the U.S. coast by Wednesday. So it's supposed to be a depression as it reaches Tuesday night, 2 p.m., and Wednesday a.m., 2 a.m., it's still going to be a depression as it reaches the southern part of North Carolina. Alright, let's take a look at the Atlantic and what the storm looks like right now. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit. Alright, so that's what it looks like right now off the Florida coastline, and it's going to be going up north towards the South Carolina, North Carolina border. Alright. And then you also see here on the western side in the Pacific, what was it called again? Let's take a look here. Eastern North Pacific. It's called Tropical Depression 5E. Alright, so Tropical Depression 5E is off here, off the coast of Mexico in the Pacific, just meandering about. Alright, now let's take a look at the Area Loop off the African coast. There is some rains, but not that many, and it does not seem to be developing into anything right now. If it does develop, I'll make a video on it. Alright, let's take a look at the Gulf of Mexico right now. There's some storms over Florida, some rains over Texas and the Louisiana area, and there's also some storms happening off the Yucatan Peninsula. Doesn't seem to be that they will develop into anything major. Alright, let's take a look here at Mike's weather page. This is a tropical depression model track for the storm that's off of Florida right now. And it could go into the Carolinas, or it can go veer off eastward towards the Atlantic. But that's the model track for that storm. Alright, so here it is as it gets closer to Tuesday, 2 a.m., and then Tuesday, 2 p.m., it's going to be off the Florida-Georgia coastline. And Wednesday, 2 a.m., it's going to be off the South Carolina, North Carolina coastline. Alright, we'll keep you guys updated on any other developments. Hit like and subscribe for more, and see you guys next time. God bless.